Hey, my friends, I just want to review with you about attributes of shapes. If you remember when we were back in school, we left off talking about shapes and their attributes. So right here in my hands, I have some attribute blocks. And I just want to remind you about the discussion we had about attributes. For example, right here we have a triangle. Triangle is its shape, and that's one of its attributes. Another attribute is its color. What color is this shape? We all know this shape is yellow. Okay, if you turn it sideways, you'll see that this shape is also thin. Remember, we said the thickness can be an attribute of the shape, okay, as well as its size. This triangle is a big triangle, so we can say that this is a big, thin, yellow triangle, and those are the attributes. If we take a look at this shape right here, we have a circle. This circle is small, it's red, and it's thick if you see it turned sideways. And then one more shape, just to give you another example. This is a rectangle. It's blue, it is small, and if I turn it sideways, we can see that it is thin. So if you were to compare some of these shapes, this is thick and this is thin. You can see the difference. So those are just the attributes of the shapes. So think about those attributes as you do the work in math today. Thanks, guys.